Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some homemade chocolate frosting, and what you'll need is some cocoa powder, some milk, some powdered sugar, and some baking vanilla, and then 8 tablespoons of melted butter, which is equivalent to half a cup or 8 tablespoons. Alright, and then we need a half a cup of this confectioner's sugar, which is also known as powdered sugar. And with measuring stuff out, you want it to be as level as possible. Right, and it should look like that. And then we are going to put that into the bowl. Alright, and then we need 2/3 a cup of this cocoa powder. Then with measuring stuff out, you want to try and get it as precise as possible. Alright, that should be good enough. Alright. Alright, and then we need the 1 stick of butter in there. And we need 5 to 7 tablespoons of milk. Okay, there's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. And then there's 5. Alright, and then I'm starting out with 5 tablespoons of milk. And I also recommend starting out with 5 tablespoons of milk, but if you need to, you can add more milk. Alright, so then we need to add the baking vanilla, and we need 1 teaspoon of the baking vanilla. Oh, I don't want to have a little over. Alright, and then we are going to mix that together. And if you want, well, you can use either a stirring spoon, or you can use the electrical beaters too, if you want to. And with mixing stuff up, you want it to be as mixed up as good as you can get it. Frosting was all mixed together. It should look something. Right. And then with the frosting, if you want, you could even add some sprinkles to it. There's got some rainbow ones here, and there's even some Christmassy ones that you could also add. And there's even some Valentine's one that you could add. But you can really add any type of sprinkles that you want, and any amount. And then with the flavorings, if you want, you can add some banana flavoring. So there's gonna be some lemon flavoring you could add to it. And then if you want to be more chocolatey, you can add some chocolate flavoring. Or you can even add some mint flavoring or some cherry flavoring. And then with the sprinkles and the flavorings, you can add the amount that you want. And you don't have to add it if frosting. You can really put on any cakes that you want, in like any type of cake. Or you can even put on cupcakes or brownies or any type of any other dessert. If you want to, you can add some more powdered sugar to make the frosting more sweet. With the frosting, if you want to, you can also add some chocolate chips too. And then we are going to put the frosting on, and then you can really use the frosting on any type of cake, or you can use it on cupcakes, muffins, brownies, or like any like dessert snack. Alright. And then we're going to use this rubber spatula here and then kind of spread it out like this. And try and get it as even as possible. Once the frosting is all on the cake and spiral evenly, it should look something like this.